Dear student, today we are going to learn how to make a crane hook. Okay, for that you can see the drawing beside. Okay, I have taken this line, simple line. Okay, and as per this drawing we will do the hook. Center point I have taken, so radius is 15 is the radius, 15. Then from offset of 5 is there. From here I will take a one long line. Okay, from this center 5 is the offset distance. Okay, 5. So I will offset this line by 5. Okay, and from this center, this radius is there. Okay, this radius is there. So from this center I will make a radius 35. Then this radius I have to know. This radius is 30. Okay, so for this radius again I have to offset by 5, offset 5 from this point. Okay, and give the center as a 30. Now 30 will be your radius, 30. Okay, now student trim this inside and keep this outside. Keep this outside. Yes. Trim this. Yes. Now from center 36 is given, offset take a 36 from this point to this. After 36 it is of 4 is the distance, 4, and this is 24, means center line we have to offset by 12. Center line, this is our center line, 12 to this side and 12 to this side. Erase these two line. Okay. After 36, this center line again, 16 is the distance, so offset by 8. Offset by 8. Okay, and this distance is 15. So offset by 15 for the height of the hook. Yes. Now trim this. Now trim this, trim. Okay, trim this, just trim this, trim. Okay, ये इसको ट्रिम कर दिया, ये. Yes. Now erase this line, unnecessary line. Erase that. Now here you can see the radius of 7, student, TTR. Okay, so circle TTR, T and radius will be 7. 7. Okay, just trim it, trim it, trim it. Okay, then again this 22 circle is there, 22 circle, 22 circle. So 22 circle will touch to this and this straight line. So again take a TTR, click this line and this circle and say 22. Okay, so here your hook shape get ready. देखो ये देखो ये. Okay, now you can delete this. delete. This also you can delete. Okay, maximize this, trim, erase, and now trim this also. So maximum hook is ready. Now important portion is remaining here. Okay, student, see, from this point it is at 32 distance. Okay, so and from here after 32 it is at a 20 distance. Okay, so from center we will take a 32. From center line we have to take a offset distance 32 from this side. Okay, 32. Okay, and from this particular point you have to draw a circle. I think one dimension is missing there. So 32 and 38. Okay, so from this particular point 38 is the distance. 38, student, offset 38 from this. Okay, now draw a circle of 38 from this particular point. 38, it will exactly match to the line. Okay, then from center this is 32 and from bottom it is at 10. Offset, give the 10 distance, 10 from this side. Okay, and if you extend this line, so this will your hook end point. So click, here is the 3 is the radius, 3. Okay, now here to this arc, to this line and this arc you have to draw a circle, TTR, circle TTR, TT to this and to this circle, and here radius is given 38. Okay, this 38 radius is attached. Again TTR, this small radius and this radius, and it is given 20. Now your hook is ready, student. See here, 20. Just trim unwanted lines. Okay. Erase this, erase this, erase those lines, and trim this. So here is your hook is ready. Go to the TTT, again repeat TTT and trim. Erase. Erase this. Okay. And for this end, what you can do, offset by 2 inside, offset by 2. Erase. Trim. This is your hook.